Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe Illustrator logo design tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create this logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's get started. Create a new document. I am creating a new document with 5 by 5 with RGB color mode. Click create to create a new document, and now choose rectangle tool and click anywhere on the artboard, and again create a rectangle of 5 by 5 is same like artboard size. Click OK to apply. Fill it with black color and there will be no stroke. Alright, now align this with this artboard. To do so, click these icons and it is fit with artboard. Now select the object and go to object and lock. Choose lock and then click on selection to lock it. Alright, then choose line tool and draw a line, but make sure that there will be no fill and stroke color will be white with 0.5 stroke size. Okay, hold down shift key and draw a line like this. Now we have to create 14 lines, 13 more copies of this line, means we have to make total 14 lines. Okay, to do so, click and select the line, hold down alt and shift key and then drag towards right side like this and press Ctrl D to create multiple copies. Alright, these are 14 lines. Now choose ellipse tool and draw a circle by hold down shift key like this. Now select these lines and group them, then select both and align center. Now again select these, go to edit, copy and then edit and choose space in front to make a copy and then rotate it by holding shift key like this. Alright, now again take copy of this circle, choose circle and go to edit, copy, edit and paste in front. Now hold on alt and shift key and decrease the size like this. Make sure it is accurately touching and crossing this line. You can press Ctrl Y to show the result in wireframe and zoom it to confirm. Alright, this is fine. Again press Ctrl Y. Okay, now select all, press Ctrl A to select all and then choose shape builder tool. After that there will be white color in fill and no stroke. Alright, now make the first, we have to create 3 letters EMS. Now I am going to first draw the middle one, which is M. So I am hitting a line like this. Okay, we have created our first letter, which is M. Now I am going to create E. Alright, now third one is S. I think that is 5. Now choose all the shapes that we have made. Select all of them by holding down Shift key and drag them out. Delete all these unnecessary lines and fill it with this your color of choice. I am filling it with white, yellow color. There will be no stroke. Alright. Now I am creating an ellipse tool. Increase its size. Align them center. Sorry. First make them group. Then align them center. And now increase little bit to fit accurately inside the circle. So that is the logo that we have created, same like this one. Alright, so that was the tutorial. You can fit this as per your choice, and you can also control the stroke size if you want to more thicker or thinner. It's up to you, but that is the procedure that we have done. You can also put it inside the mockup for good presentation. It's up to you. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, please feel free to comment below. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.